Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Briaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So today we're going to take some time to send some healing, loving light energies to the world. I know you're all beautiful, loving souls, so this will come naturally to you, I'm sure. And remember, as you're helping send light to the world, you're helping yourself, you're helping everyone. All the good you do goes out to the world. You already do all this all the time. This is going to be just more focused. So close your eyes, relax, make yourselves comfortable, and simply go within your heart to that loving, light-filled place within your heart. That's so natural, that's so automatic, that's so you. Your natural, loving way. Your natural, light-filled way. Start to think about all the people in your life who you love so much that you would do anything for. Allow that loving feeling to build within you more and more. Your kids or your parents or your brothers and sisters, all your loved ones that you love so dearly, even your friends that mean so much to you. Capture that loving feeling. Align with that loving feeling. Now, imagine the world in front of you. Imagine the entire world in front of you. Great big globe. And everybody in the world is in there. All your loved ones, all your friends, even people you don't know. They're all there. And you sense and you know all of them. All they want deep down is to be loved. So take this time, knowing that love can heal the world and bring peace to the world. It starts with you. So focus again on your heart center, focus on that love. Start to feel and see that pink energy now emanating from your heart, and see and feel that energy now going forward to the world, to the planet, to the entire globe. That beautiful pink energy of love and light. See it coming straight out of your heart, out of your being, into the world, going to everyone, every place, every direction. And just allow yourself to sense and feel the entire world relaxing, being relieved, feeling better, more loved, simply from your intention of sending love to the world. Know that you are helping. Feel yourself getting lighter and lighter, and feel the world getting lighter and lighter. Yourself getting brighter, and the world getting brighter. And keep sending that loving light. You can even sing, "We are children, children of the light, and we are shining." And just keep shining that light of yours. And see others around you shining their light. Everybody around you shining their light. All of us together shining our light to the world. And seeing that world light up. feeling the energies of the world getting lighter, the heaviness being lifted by your light, by your loving light. Start to see smiles on people's faces, people feeling better, more grateful, more alive, renewed, rejuvenated, excited about the future, full of love and full of light. Letting go of the fear and the doubt, the uncertainty, and embracing your light, embracing the light all around. Helping them to embrace their own light and the light everywhere, within them and around them. Till all you see is light. And just rest in that light. Peace to the world. Peace within you and peace to the world, here and now and always. Breathing that in and sending that peace back out. Taking your time, sending every last ounce of love to that world, and feeling that love coming to you too, filling you up too. Know that as you send love, you are receiving it as well. You are aligned with it. It is a part of you. It is you. You're not losing anything. You're opening up to all that you are, and you're helping this world open up to all that it is. And rest with that knowing that all is done, all is complete. The love and the light has won. Always has and always will. Only love is real. Take a nice big deep breath, letting go of any doubt. Bringing all that beautiful love and light energy back into yourself, back into your physical body, back to this time, back to this place. Thanking the entire world for receiving, thanking yourself for sending this love and light. Coming back fully to this time, back to this place, feeling completely loved and light-filled. Great job, everyone. We sent love and light to the world, and it makes a huge difference. Thank you all. Keep shining your loving light for yourself, for this entire world. God bless you all.